Chache Sauti bono oyokorigia ikirugo kyo chumba bw'ebunge ya kitutu Chache Sauti Dr. Felix Atisa nigo achakiri mu ruberio Obokonyi abamenyi b'ebunge ya kitutu Chache Sauti kobwata Ebibande ase ebinyoro bume imeye ibunenchira yamo oyokwenekia ng'abasaya bange nkobwata bare Ebibande ibyo nigo ayimukiriye igitambo kirekyo magaga yogokora obutukina konyoranga kiabisi ichiyokwenekia ng'Ebibande nigo chire chi atambe mono na abasaya bari kunyara agoikirana esensemo eyo.
I'm here today and I've been around the whole constituency trying to oversee a project we started in conjunction with the county county commissioner's office and the chief's offices and the registrar of persons. We started a project of what we call Kitambulisho Mashinani and also doing civic education about 2-3 months ago. And I'm happy to report that the IDs or the national identity cards that we were giving to our people in the villages are now out and the people are receiving them from their respective chief's offices. So I'm pleased that I've gone to 3 stations and that is Nyakoe, Mosocho and Nyatieko. And this afternoon I have officially launched the issuance of the cards. So the national identity cards are a government document. It is not my document. It is a document that I facilitated our people to get with ease in their villages, because it was too expensive for our people to go all the way to Nyancho and Mosocho, and most of them don't even have fare to go there. So I'm happy. Those who presented themselves have now received the identity cards and they are able to register themselves as voters in 2027 and also use the IDs in even getting jobs and other things. I want to emphasize that it's still too expensive for those who have lost IDs. They need to pay 1,050 shillings. Our people in the villages don't have this money. So I'm appealing to government, if possible, that fee can be scrapped so that even those who have lost IDs, if possible, they should be replaced at no fee or just as a minimal fee of 100 or 200 shillings. The Health Authority has become a topical issue, and some people are insisting that SHA is corrupt, is not covering and all that. What I want to appeal to our people is very simple. Have the SHA, because when you are sick, no one is going to get close to you. But SHA will help pay for your bills. If there are corrupt tendencies in the SHA offices, we have all the authorities, ESCC, DCI and everything else. They will investigate the corrupt deals and they will be dealt with. But you and me as individuals still need this card so that our bills can be sorted. Still encourage them as they go. Let them be open-minded, let them be objective, and let them know that we, their electorate, are critically watching and following how they are representing us. We want good for our people, and we want good representation from this government. The government is ready to serve, and I believe our president is a listening president. So he will listen to our people. I have no objection. Whether it's our people, other people from many parts of the region, let them pay a visit every day and every day. And the president, please also invite us, future leaders.